What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel, I am going to be back on the lower torque boxes, clean those things up. Whenever I left off on the passenger side, I hadn't cleaned them up, got them ready for final fitment of these lower torque boxes. I wasn't going to film anything today because honestly I don't get a whole lot done while I'm filming. Whenever I just get down there and do it, I get a whole lot more done. But I stopped what I was doing. I had already started, I stopped. I'm going to set this thing up on a time lapse and just let it go for a time lapse until I see fit. But that's what I'll be doing tonight, I said tonight, it's the middle of the day. That's what I'll be doing today, working on cleaning up these lower torque box areas. The upper torque box, whenever I pulled it out, it all came out, and it came out pretty clean. So all I had to do was hit it with a sanding disc on the grinder, clean up everything, and it was fine. But these lowers, kind of butchered them a little bit coming out. They're kind of hard to come out. But, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Here we go. All right, I got this, the driver's side lower box fitted up in here. Fits pretty decent. I did pull it back out. If you have under the car subframe connectors like I do, you might have to cut the back side because that box, there's a notch. Let's see, let me turn this camera around. You can see the frame where it goes up right there. That is right where the back of the box is supposed to sit in my under the car subframe connectors came past that a little bit, so I had to notch around it a little bit, which is fine. I'll end up welding back on that back side to this box anyway. But the front side where the stock bolt went through, that single bolt, to get all the adjustment out of this box, you can't get to all the holes with just that regular hole there. So they send you this piece here, and what I'm going to do with this is you fit it up here, and I'm going to mark that out, and I'm going to cut that out. Yeah, I'm going to cut all that out on the inside and the outside, and then this ring welds back to the inside on this side to give it some more support. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Alright, that's going to do it for today. I did get the driver's side tacked and welded in. Welds do not look very good, so I got to figure out this welder. I'm going to get some scrap metal and actually practice like I said I was going to. Get the settings on this welder. I might end up getting another welder, I don't know. Depends on if I can get the settings on this welder set up right or not. But the driver lower is in. Hopefully I don't have to cut it back out. It just all depends on how I feel about these welds. If I think they're going to hold or not. I think they will. It's just they don't look very good. Like I said earlier, I used to be pretty decent at welding, and it's been some years. So I didn't mess with the passenger side. It's starting to cool off. I gotta go get my kids here in a little while, so I might not mess with the car anymore this evening. But yeah, made some progress today. Progress every day. Hopefully soon I'll have this thing ready for a rear end to go back under it, so I can mock up how I want to put mock up the rear end. But yeah, like always, comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post videos. Hopefully I get better with editing. I think I'm gonna get a new phone. I might get a new phone, I don't know. I'm finally getting the hang of editing with this phone, so I might just keep this one, I don't know. But yeah, see y'all next time.